Here we are. Last time I told you, next time when you see this car, it will be in epoxy. And here it is. She is welded, she's good. She passed it a long, long way from the scrap to this phase. So this white stuff is epoxy. Epoxy closed the pinholes and other holes and everything what should be closed after welding. And now what are we doing? We are scratching that car from inside and the engine bay so we can treat it with the body shells, paint and other chemicals that should be treated with. What's the next phase? So as I said, the bottom of the car will be sanded with the sandpaper and then will be treated with the that isolation, or how to say it, with the tiger seal to seal all the gaps between metals so the water cannot penetrate inside. That stuff disappeared during the process of sandblasting, so we have to repeat all that. After that we'll paint the car in the body shells, and after that we'll paint the car in the paint of the car, right? In this case it's silver. So when we finish the floor, that's the reason why I changed these hangers from the bottom one onto the top ones, so we have total approach to the floor of the car. Then when we finish that, we'll put a spray filler in the engine bay, seal it, then we will put a primer and paint it in the silver. Then we can do the rest of the car, and Bož or Kevin can start to play with the suspension, engine and everything else, other headaches. So basically that's it. Next time when you see the car, I think we'll start with the filler job outside. Maybe spray filler, not sure, but thanks for this.